Hello, my friends, and Happy New Year to you. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the first of 2026. Hope everybody had a wonderful New Year's. Well, to kick off the first recipe of the new year, I'm going to share with y'all some homemade donuts. We're going to make cinnamon sugar donuts. And the best part about this recipe, they're baked, not fried, so there's no grease involved. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and we're going to coat them in the cinnamon sugar glaze. How yummy does that sound? Everybody's going to love and enjoy these. Perfect for breakfast, dessert, or even for a snack. Also makes a great on-to-go breakfast when you head to the classroom or to work. And I'll post the complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. Also check out my previous video, Southern Fried Pork Chops. I'll post the link to that down in the description box below. So turn on your oven, grab your cinnamon sugar and your donut pan sugar, because we're about to bake some cinnamon sugar donuts magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our dry ingredients. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're going to use my 1 cup measurement and fluff it up like so. Using my butter knife, we're going to level it off, sweep, and voila, perfect cup. We're going to pour it into my large bowl and sifter. Now we need 1 more cup. Just repeat the process. And another perfect cup. So that's our 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Into our flour, we're going to add in our leavenings and warm spices, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon each of ground nutmeg and table salt, a fourth of a teaspoon of ground cloves, and a pinch of ground allspice. Just sift these together, or you can whisk them if you like. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of white sugar and a half a cup of packed light brown sugar. And I'm just going to whisk those in until they're well incorporated. Alrighty, our dry ingredients are done. Now we're going to set them aside while we work on our wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1 1/4 cups of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. And into our milk, we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, which is 2 capfuls. Next, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted and cooled. And last but not least, 1 extra large egg that I lightly beaten. Give these a quick mix until they're well combined, and I'm just going to use a fork. And that's it, my friends. Our wet ingredients are done. Now we're going to pour them into the dry ingredients. And just stir these together until they're well blended. I can smell all the spices. Smells wonderful. And be careful not to overmix. Alright, as soon as I get through mixing up my batter, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I am through stirring up my batter. Now we are ready to scoop them into our donut pan. We're going to scoop them into 2 mini donut pans. Each pan has 6 donuts, and you can find these at your local craft stores, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, or even Walmart. But if you can't find them, you can get them online. I'm going to spray my donut pans with cooking spray so that way our donuts won't stick. Spray them generously. So we're just going to spoon them into our donut pan 3/4 of a way full. Alright, as soon as I get through filling up my donut pans, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I've got all my batter into my donut pans. Now we are ready to put them in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. Going to let them bake for 17 minutes. And I'll bring you back. My friends, I smell donuts. It smells heavenly up in this kitchen. I just taken them out of the oven. See how lightly golden brown they are on the top? So now we are going to let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. All right, my friends, it's been 5 minutes. So now we're going to remove them from the pans. I'm just going to tap the pan on the counter a couple of times, or you can just get them out with a fork or a knife. Hope they come out. Wish me luck. Gorgeous! Came out nicely. All right, I'm going to get the rest of my donuts out and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I've got all 12 donuts onto my cutting board. Now it's time for the best part, coating them in cinnamon sugar. Over here in my bowl, we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar and a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Stir until they're well incorporated. And there you have it, cinnamon sugar. How simple and easy was that? And over here in this pan, I have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted. Let's give our donuts some sugar, shall we? So we're going to take a donut, coat it in the butter, but don't soak it. Drip off the excess, and then coat it into the cinnamon sugar. Just like that. How good does that look? All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish coating my donuts in the cinnamon sugar. Then I'll plate them up and we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, there you have it. Oven-baked cinnamon sugar donuts. Don't that look good? And look at that cinnamon sugar coating on them. Oh, my mouth's watering. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that donut. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Please have a bite. Incredible texture. Light and fluffy, buttery. I can taste the spices, and I love that cinnamon sugar. These baked donuts are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Cinnamon sugar donuts licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.